How to file Kalshi on taxes. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can file Kalshi on taxes. So let's get started. This is a simple way to access your Kalshi tax details. So first, you gotta go to Kalshi Help Center by searching Kalshi Help Center Taxes in your browser. And from there, you're gonna select the appropriate result, which will take you directly to the page where your tax documents are located. So once you're on that page, you'll find links that lead to all the tax information connected to your account. The site provides step-by-step guidance explaining where each number belongs when you're preparing your tax return, depending on whether you made a profit or had a loss and how much you invested overall. You can also download and save these documents directly to your computer or device. Keeping copies on hand makes it easier to stay organized and reference them later if needed. So if you earned income on the platform, you can use the information in these documents to correctly report everything when filing your taxes. If you're unsure about anything, reviewing the Help Center instructions or consulting a tax professional can help ensure everything is reported accurately. So that is basically how you can file Kalshi on taxes. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.